Dutch Rail is the principal passenger railway operator in the Netherlands and also owns several rail franchises in the UK and Germany through our subsidiary Abellio. In the Netherlands, we have the second business rail network in the world, with over 1.2 million train journeys every day. The challenges we were facing before we undertook the project were that COVID meant a drop in passengers, requiring an urgent need for cost reductions. We needed flexible and agile IT systems. The legacy systems were very expensive to host and maintain. Proceed Group implemented SAP ILM to decommission our legacy systems and set up SAP ILM on the S/4HANA system to support archiving of live production data. The main benefits to the business now the project is complete are that we have more agile, supportable and secure IT landscape. We have seen a 50% reduction in legacy system maintenance costs, with more savings to come when we decommission the remaining legacy systems. With Proceed Group's help, we are ready to move all our systems to SAP S/4HANA and run the business on S/4HANA, delivering the agility our business demands.